Hey, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I lay floor heating cables and pour concrete on the floor for the bigger tiles. But before that, let's see a little recap what we have done so far. At first it was this normal 20-year-old apartment bathroom and sauna, and then we demolished it totally. And after demolition, we hammered old drain away. And assembled a new corner drain in the corner, obviously. And then we started rebuilding this wall and assembled these waterproof boards to the walls. And insulated a little bit this sauna. And last thing I've done so far is to prime this floor. And now it's time to glue these heating cables on the floor and then do this concrete pouring. Yeah, so let's get going. But first things first, I gotta find tools from this mess. Alright, I guess I have everything now. Only thing is missing is my measuring tape again. But when I find that one, we are gonna start calculating the you know, the spaces between the cables. There must be a better word for this, but I don't know what it is. If you know, please comment down below. Let's find the measuring tape and then start gluing stuff to the floor. Okay, I found one tape measure, my tool mate, so it's not like my go-to measuring tape, but it's better than no measuring tape at all. Let's go with this and start calculating those spaces between cables. Okay, now the spaces is calculated. I left 5 centimeters gap to the wall and then 10 centimeter gap between the cables. So previously I installed these pipes where this cable is gonna go, and the other pipe is for the thermostat sensor. So now we're just gonna slide this cold cable to the pipe. Okay, now the cable is in the pipe, and now it's time to start gluing the cable on the floor. Damn, I almost forgot to measure the cable, you know, the resistance values. So let's do that now, after gluing and after pouring the concrete. So then we can be sure that it will do what it's meant to which is hit the floor. So in this cable it said it's 1.45 ohms per meter. So it was 59 meter cable, so it makes it 85.5 ohms. So it's probably not gonna be exactly that, but let's say if it's about 85-ish, then it's gonna be good enough, because I heard temperature might affect and some other things also. But the most important is that there's nothing going on with this grounding and these two cables. So they should be, I think it says 1 in the meter, and so it should be 1 between these ones and 1 between these ones, and 85-ish between these ones. That's what we are aiming to, and I hope the cable is okay, because I didn't check it before, and now it's time to glue it. So if this would be broken, that would ruin my day, because I would have to drive to the shop and buy new cable and waste time. So usually, sometimes at least, I check these like in previous day or maybe 2 days before, just to be sure. And I would recommend you to do the same. Alright, the cable was okay, so now we can continue this gluing the cable on the floor. And remember, always wear the safety glasses, because at least one time I was gluing something on the ceiling and this hot glue just dripped and it almost hit my eye. I was watching elsewhere and I watched up again. Then I just saw this drip coming into my eye. I didn't have the goggles then, but I just barely managed to close my eyes, so it did stick in my eyelashes. So close call, but since then I've been always trying to use the safety glasses wherever it's even a little bit needed. And another thing is the shoes, but I'll tell you another story some other time. Yeah. So yeah, let's get back to this gluing project. Gotta burn. I have a tip for you. Don't touch hot glue. When it's hot, I mean. Okay, that was that. But by the way, have you guys seen this kind of zipper door? It's a zipper door without a zipper, but there's magnets. Pretty cool. It's getting tight and there's a lot of cable left, but I think we can make it.
think.
Okay, that was a close call. And another thing which was a close call, my last hot glue stick. And let's see how much is in the gun. Well, there's plenty, but I had like maybe 10-ish sticks when I begun. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And next thing is doing the concrete pour, which is actually gonna be the next video, or like in future video, maybe not next one. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe. If you like this video, then hit this like button. If you didn't like, then you didn't like, that's okay. So yeah, see you in the next video. And now it's time for lunch.